You know how much I love crepes, and I'm really going to jazz them up by serving them with a filling of mango and lime. These are super delicious. So we're going to start with our crepe batter, a very classic crepe batter, plain flour in a bowl. I'm going to add just a pinch of sugar, not too much, and some salt, small amount of salt, and with your whisk, just incorporate that. Make a well in the centre, and I'm going to crack in 3 eggs. So 3 eggs into the centre. And now the difference between crepes and pancakes, I often get asked this, is the lift. So with pancakes, you usually would use some self-raising flour because it's got a leavening agent in it, whereas crepes, you use plain flour and they should be as thin as handkerchiefs. I'll now break them up with my whisk, and little by little I'm going to add the milk. And I say little by little because I don't want any lumps. It's actually really hard to get the lumps out at the end. So it's a good idea just to work the eggs in first and then slowly add in that milk. And as you do that, it brings in the sides. For the best quality crepes, I highly recommend allowing your batter to rest. So as soon as I finish this, I'm going to pop this into the fridge for an hour, and then we can get on to the filling. Okay, this crepe batter has rested. I'm just going to take the plastic out. The reason I put the cling film on top is just to ensure a skin doesn't form on the top. And just with a ladle, just going to give it another mix. Now, before we start cooking these, I'm just going to prepare one component of the filling. So first we've got the mango, and then we've got a lime butter to go with it. So delicious. This is softened butter, around 125 grams. I'll add a few spoonfuls of caster sugar, and we want a spreadable butter. And this is a lovely ingredient, lime marmalade, and it tastes fantastic on toast, but also great for crepes, just like this. So I'm going to add a good amount to my butter. You can leave this out if it's for the kiddies, but for the adults, a really lovely touch is a splash of white rum. So a tiny little splash. It will cook off as it cooks in the pan. To really accentuate that lime flavour, a little lime juice, squeeze that over the top, and one last little stir, and that's going to go into our crepes with our mango. Now let's cook our crepes. So I'm just going to add a small amount of butter to a non-stick pan. You don't want it to be swimming in the butter because we've got butter coming up in the filling. And straight into the pan. Just going to swirl the pan as we do this. Try and get it as thin as possible. I always say the first crepe is the practice one because you're just getting a feel for the pan and how much batter you should ladle into the pan. So I'm just going to leave that there for a moment, let it set, flip it. I'm going to make 2 or 3 more of these, and then we can go on to the next stage. All right, crepes are ready. You can see I haven't overcooked them. They're quite blonde. It's because we're going to fry them in the pan again. So our lovely lime butter, I'm just going to spread a small amount of that butter over the crepes. And now for the mango. And I love this recipe because you can do it any time of the year, even when mangoes aren't in season. These are frozen mango chunks, and I've just thawed them out. And you don't want too much of the juices, you just want those lovely chunks. And it's slightly crushed, which is exactly how I want it. Okay. Next, we're going to make little parcels. So just fold them over, just ensuring that all that filling stays in. And then we need to warm them up. So more butter into a pan. Just add a small amount of that. Now, because there's sugar in this, you don't want this to be on a really high heat, so just a medium heat. We're going to allow that butter to melt away, and then we're going to add the crepes. And you just need to pop them in that butter for about 1 minute at most on each side, or until they're caramelised. All All right, these little mango crepes are looking fantastic. I'm going to finish them off with some icing sugar, just a touch over the top. If you want a little extra lime on the side, and why not? A dollop of cream on the top there. And I think we should have a taste. Let's cut into that to see the mango. Ooh, there it is there. A little bit of that cream. Mango crepes, they're so good with that hint of tropical flavour, with that burst of lime. These are delicious. If you love crepes, try these mango ones. You're going to love them.